My name is Cheryl Davies. I'm here today at the Cherry Hill Mall to participate in the fashion show that Kennedy is putting on for the post-op bariatric patients. This is my first time ever on a runway. If you would have told me that this is where I would be last year or any time in my life, I would have called you a liar and said that would never happen. But since Dr. Balsama changed my life by doing surgery on me, I no longer want to be invisible, and I want to participate in things that I never thought that I ever would before. It's not easy to lose the weight, even though you have surgery, because it's an entire lifestyle change, but it's so much easier knowing that there is an end in sight, and here it is. I'm in a fashion show. I'm a model. I never, ever, ever thought that that would ever happen to me.